Welcome again to a homily from the Holy Land. This week's Eitzah of Ra'eh goes back over the list of animals that are, and birds and fish, kosher and non-kosher. Among the non-kosher birds is the Hachasidah, the pious bird. So what does that name mean? So it's translated, before it's the stork, but why is it called Chasidah? So Rashi, back in Shmini, says that because it shares its foods with its fellow storks. So then the question is, why is that so bad? That's great. Therefore, it says Chasidah, it's pious. But the answer is because it does not share it with anybody else. It does not share with any other type of bird. So therefore, it's on the non-kosher list. And this brings us to the general situation of Sefer Dvorim, which is very beautifully put together by Rabbi Emanuel Bernstein, and that is Sefer Dvorim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is referred to as the father of Bnei Yisrael. He's our father. Okay, it says in this week's Seder, in Rei, Bonim Atem Hashem Elokeichem, and your children. Now, if we're children to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, then it means that our fellow Jews, no matter what, are our brothers, and therefore they have to be treated. Because Kosh Baruch is our father, we have to treat him with respect as a father, Kibbud Av, and we also have to understand that Kosh Baruch Hu, whatever happens, means the best for us. Just like a young child, clings on to the daddy, and whatever daddy says is right, and he looks for his help and his protection. The same way that we have to approach HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But on the other side also, we have to approach our fellow Jews as achichot, as our brothers. There's many references in this week's Seder itself to fellow Jews as achicha, and we have to treat them as such by Shmitas Ksafim, where if you loan somebody money before Shemitah, Shemitah comes, it's nullified. You don't have to pay him. I'm not going to go into all the details, but it says he's called Achicha. He's your brother. If your brother needs help, you help him. And same thing, Avad Ivri. If your brother sells himself, it says Achicha. Again, you have to treat him with respect and dignity. So if we're Banim HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we're his children, we have to act in a certain way and also treat his God's children with dignity and respect because he's our relative. So, and no matter how astray he's going from Yadus, if we're Ashkenazim, we have to respect Sfardim, the Satmar has to respect the above him, and so on. So this is the message of Sefer Dvorim. God is our Father, and we're all God's children, and we have to act accordingly as one big family and respecting and taking care of each other. And that schus will be Zochel Geulah Shleima Me'er Yameinu Amen.